7 years old. I'm the founder of 10xforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today I have a special unboxing for you guys. So today I'm gonna unbox SG's Scorer Classic Cricket Bat. So without any delay, let's get started unboxing this bat. Okay, so first see such a big box. It has come in such a big box, and now I'll just cut this up and show you. So okay. Okay, I'll just cut it over here also. Okay. Okay. And here it is. This is so huge. So cool. Okay, so first of all, here is the bag. This bag is quite cool. So I'll just open this up. Now you see, here is our bat. Here is our bat. Okay, so like there is a plastic covering over here. There is a plastic covering over here. So let's peel it off. The Scorer Classic Bat. Let's peel this plastic covering from this. So I'll just cut this off and then I'll show you. I'll give you how I think about this bat. Okay, so cut this plastic. Okay, so I'll just move this plastic aside, and here it is, the bat, final bat. So you see here there is a fabric covering, okay, and this is a Kashmir willow bat. Okay, I think this is the best for beginners. This is the best for beginners, and intermediate players also can use this. So first I will talk about the grip. The grip is very nice. It is giving a firm grip. Okay, it is not slipping from my hand, so it is giving a firm grip. So now I will talk about the main bat. So like here there is a fabric covering, and over here SG has painted this. Okay, and its shape is quite cool. Okay, so there is a bit of curve in this. Okay, and here they have given a scan so that we can scan this to show that this is real. Okay, so like now I'll talk about its shape. Its shape is very nice. Okay, it is very nice. Its shape is very nice. Okay, so yeah, it is like it has a lot of power. So I don't have the ball right now, or I would have shown you. If you want me to show that also, comment down below. I will make a separate video of it. Okay, so I think this is one of the best beginner bats, and this is under 1500, so this is one of the best beginner bats, and it is okay for intermediate players. And the one downfall of this is that they have painted this whole whitish color. So if there are any cracks or something, we can't see it because they must have filled something in it and then they would just have painted it. So because of the paint, we can't see any damages in this. And like this fabric coating over here is protecting the bat. Okay, and its final design is very good. It is a three crown bat, and like this is a like old style bat. So like this is a old style bat, and these days also people like to use these old style bats. So, and you can see that Sunil Gavaskar's autograph is over here. It's written Sunil Gavaskar. So my final reviews are that this is okay for intermediate, but this is one of the best bat for the beginners. So I very much liked it. So this was my unboxing, special unboxing. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab!